Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel. Today we're going to be making cheese danishes, guys. So for this recipe, we're going to be using sugar, cream cheese, vanilla extract, some croissant rolls, an egg, and some lemon juice. First thing you should do, guys, before anything happens, before you start the video, before you do anything, put your oven to 400 degrees. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up this packet of cream cheese and we're going to put this in this bowl. We're going to mix stuff in it. Okay, guys? It says open right here. So we're going to open up the cream cheese and we'll use the whole block. Okay, this block is 8 ounces. Eight ounces of cream cheese. Bam. So we got the block of cream cheese. We're going to be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to add 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup. Holy crap. No. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, real slow. Bam. We'll be using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then we're going to mix this together, guys. Okay, we're going to use our handy dandy little mixer. And this is going to be our filling. Okay guys, we beat the filling for 2 minutes. And that's how it looks. Okay guys? Okay, so now we're gonna open up this croissant roll tube thingy, tubular, and then we're gonna go ahead and open it, and this is gonna be the base of our cheese Danish. Okay, guys? Is this not like the damn? I guess it is. The biscuits. It has pictures. Okay, it has pictures, but obviously I'm a man, I don't follow instructions. Alright, we're gonna open this up. Check this out, guys. This is basically what it looks like. It's gonna look like a little square. Okay, so we're gonna cut these in half. We're gonna make 4. This middle part, we're just gonna squeeze together. Boom. Same thing with the other ones. Okay, we're putting these rolls on the cookie sheet with wax paper. Okay, that way it don't stick or anything. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to take our corners and flip them in like this. Fold them in. So whenever they're ready, they're going to look freaking incredible. So basically we're making like a little pastry diaper. Okay, and then we're going to put in our filling inside. Okay, this one's kind of big. Let's see if I can squeeze it together a little bit. We'll put our little dollop right in the middle. Bam. Now don't be afraid to put a bunch of cream cheese in there, guys. Because this thing tastes phenomenal. Get in there. Alright, now that we got our cream cheese, we're going to go ahead and put our egg wash. Okay, this is 1 egg mixed to make the egg wash. Okay, and we're just going to kind of brush it in. Okay, and this will give it like a golden flaky crust. And then once we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more sugar sprinkled on top. Our last step is put a little, we're gonna sprinkle in a little bit of sugar on these danishes, guys. Bam. First thing you should do, guys, before anything happens, before you start the video, before you do anything, put your oven to 400 degrees, or else you'll be like me and having to wait another 10 minutes to start it, okay? We'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright guys, the oven's finally ready. We're gonna go ahead and stick this thing in there for 18 minutes at 400 degrees, alright? Guys, the danishes are done. Time to get them out. And check this out, guys. Bam! Look how delicious they look. Alright, I'm gonna let them cool down for a little bit and then I'll give it a try. And let's try it out, guys. It's super sweet, super creamy. It's really good, guys. Give us a like, thumbs up. Now remember, only the strong subscribe.